Guys, something crazy happened. Like,
I was
guys, a
hesitating,
fire.
should I grab the cooler and come back and throw it on it?
A firework just misfired. Wow. Crazy.
Okay, that was the grand finale. Yeah.
What happened? I was crying.
It's okay. That was the finale. It wasn't done going off.
Yeah, I still had a few pops left to it.
I think we need to get a restart.
10 minutes delay.
Oh.
I just see the fire.
Right when it started exploding, we all went crazy. Like, holy Jesus! We thought your dad was hurt or something.
No, of course not.
Oh, bye, William. William, say bye to the camera. Oh, you make some daily videos or weekly videos, okay?
Say bye
Okay.
Mommy, we have Mom.
Hey, William.
Mommy,
William.
I need you.
William, make daily William makes daily videos, okay?
I will try to.
Okay, bye. Oh, dude, that was so crazy. Like, a fire just misfired out of nowhere. Come on, what happened?
There were some more fireworks that didn't go off in the finale. That's all.
They all went off right there.
Well, the big box, the finale one, we thought it was done, but it wasn't. So it was in the fire pit, and it just all went off. It's fine. That's Jupiter right there.
How you know?
Lauren, is that Jupiter or Saturn? Jupiter.
Where?
That bright one up there.
Huh.
You can download the app on that.
So guys, that was crazy. A humongous firework just misfired, like no good reason. Like 3 of them just went off, like boom. So that was crazy. We just got the cooler right here, so. Are you leaving me? So I met a real man. Jackson. Hey, hug? William, hug?
All right.
Hug?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I thought you said how long. I'm like, I don't know.
Jackson, give him her
Where's,
bubba.
see you, bud. Hey, we'll see you soon, okay, buddy?
Sorry, wait, and this video inside, so we need to get in some light. Okay, bring in chocolate milk. I hope you liked the video. If you smash that like button. We'll see you later. Bye.